Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we're gonna take some practice in parcels in AutoCAD 3D. As usual, the first thing we're gonna set up our drawing here. Right click, edit drawing setting. We're gonna make like geolocation for the places. I'm gonna attach the drawing on this video below. Just if you would like to follow up, just go and practice with me. We have to set it to the USA Florida. It has to be signed in. So it has to be signed in order to be able to do this. USA Florida, this is the system for the geolocation. Okay, when we set up the geolocation coordination system, we set it to the map area. It's gonna appear to us like this. We're gonna choose some places right here to make some parcels. I already like saved some places right here. It is here, the coast. We're gonna make parcels for this lines. The first thing, we're gonna use polyline. Then we're gonna like convert this polyline to the parcels. The first thing is we just make line. Yeah. Enter. We're gonna shift it, like hold Control and Shift key up. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna make offset for both roads. We're gonna make offset through for the roads, two sides. This is the first one for the roads, and the second one for the plot, for the houses. Yeah. I'm gonna close it right here. Join. I'm gonna close the roads. Join. So that's one thing right now. We're gonna close this one. Close the second one. Close this one. So close it. Now we're gonna start to like convert all what you have right here to the parcels. The first thing we're gonna make like create parcels from the object for these roads. I'm gonna choose these roads. Basics. Yeah, it turns to the just parcels. We're gonna change the style later. Now we're gonna make parcel out of this. Join. We're gonna join them. Join this one. Now we're gonna create a parcels from this object. Enter. Just parcel names. Sounds good. The last one. Yeah, here we go. We have parcels right here. Now we want to distribute this lands for all houses. The first thing, we want to hide this thing right here. It is a composition, none. Yeah, that's it. No, we actually need it. We want to make parcels for the houses. We have to set up to this. How do we get this? Because each house has this parameters. Side to creation. Okay. Parcel numbers. Frontage area. the frontage right here. Enter. Looks like. Do we like it or no? Yes, we like it. Here we go. Let's turn it off and choose this one. Choose frontage. Enter. Do you like it? Yes. Enter. Do you like it? Yes. Enter. Yes. Enter. 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 Yeah, that's it. Now we got our parcels done. Now we're gonna give this like road one another styles. We're gonna get it to the roads. We're gonna apply it. We're gonna figure out how it looks like. We're gonna make some shadows on it. We're gonna make a new styles. We're gonna make some hash parcel fill area. Apply it. See how it looks like. In fact, we have to yep. Roads, Florida. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Now we're gonna change the numbers of this stuff. We just get started from 1. We're gonna change the parcels so that it's we're gonna make it rounded. it is small a little bit. We're gonna 1. Yep. Now we're gonna fix like the other styles, the property styles. We're gonna copy, select current styles in order to just fix it. We're gonna choose dots. Yep. We're gonna make it bigger a little bit. Four. We're gonna change how it looks like. Yeah, it looks great right like this. I wanted to copy this styles for all parcels right here. I can use match. Yep. Match. I can choose like this. Choose like this. Yep. It looks great right now. Verification of. Yeah. This is our parcels right now. It looks great. I'm gonna attach the drawing in case you want to practice. You're gonna find it below.